As you can see, we like a lot of light when we are working outside in our shop, but our one little shed was like a dimly lit dungeon. It needed some light. So we were really excited when we got these 4 feet LED shop lights. The brand did send them over and compensated us for this review, but I will tell you they're bright, efficient, and super easy to install. The best part about these is that they are linkable, so you can just connect them together and run the wiring with ease. No complicated setup, just plug and play. And each one of these pumps out like over 6,000 lumens at a crisp daylight color. So it's like turning on a little piece of the sun without the heat or the energy bill shock, right? So they do have about a 270-degree beam angle, so these lights spread brightness evenly, so no more weird shadows or dark corners like we had in our shed. It's also perfect for other garages, workshops, warehouses, basically anywhere you don't want to squint to have to see what you're doing. They've got a really sleek V-shaped design, making them a great fit even in tight spaces like we have. They're good at RV setups, plus the integrated driver solution means no flickering, no dim spots, and no surprise failures. So you can see how dark this shed was before we decided to add some more light, and now it has never looked so good. So they're, like I said, they're really easy to install. My husband just measured it out, then he put them up, and then he popped them right into the bracket. On top of all that, they are FCC certified and they do come with a solid 5-year warranty. So if you're tired of working in the dark, definitely grab a set of these LED shop lights and brighten up your space today. You will not regret it, and we cannot wait to even order more.